Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Xswap token. Name of the token is Xswap, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. This is a cross-chain token. I can see it on Basechain, on Etherscan, and it also was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing coming soon on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is xswap.link. If you go over there, you can find a document section, or you could just go to docs.xswap.link. Like I said, you can find this token on Basechain, but it only says 4 holders so far, so it's not really available for purchase yet on dexes or anywhere. 18 decimal places, max total supply, 9,999,999 tokens. And then also on Etherscan here, same thing, not available yet, only says 8 holders, 18 decimal places, max total supply, 340,000,001 tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing. It doesn't actually have a listing date yet. There is a startup event going on right now starting May 4th to May 6th. That'll be over 10 a.m. May 6th. So basically starting today, ending in 2 days, a startup on Gate. So it says trading start time is still to be announced. So I would follow their Twitter, which I'm going to put up right on the screen right here. At Xswap_link is their Twitter there. 77,100 Twitter followers. Big following there. I would follow their Twitter. They're going to announce exactly when the listing date will be. And then there's a couple different options, ways to get this token. If Gate is available in your country, because sometimes, certain countries may not be able to use certain exchanges. So if Gate is available, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT. Then when it gets listed, they'll announce it on the Twitter here. Go into the trade section, search Xswap, and then simply just buy the token. Or around the same time, most likely it'll also go over to Uniswap. You'll be able to get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with ETH, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your ETH for the Xswap token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, or bridging your ETH to Base and getting the Base version from Uniswap or Camelot, wherever it gets listed. But just follow the socials right here. They'll tell you the exact date and listings very shortly. So it says, in the rapidly evolving decentralized finance landscape, seamless interoperability between diverse blockchain networks has emerged as a critical need. Xswap takes center stage, promising fluid cross-chain liquidity movements. So it has the first mover advantage. Xswap is proud to be one of the first platforms leveraging Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, the CCIP. This pioneering step sets Xswap apart from other DeFi platforms and is positioned to become a leader in the field of cross-chain swaps. So Chainlink's technological backbone, Chainlink's renowned for its decentralized Oracle network, includes the cross-chain interoperability protocol as a breakthrough in blockchain's interoperability. CCIP is designed to optimize and simplify moving assets across diverse blockchains. It also has enhanced user experience. No longer do we have to deal with intricate, time-consuming, and hazardous cross-chain swaps. With Xswap powered by CCIP, users can expect a streamlined and user-friendly experience, cutting down on multiple transaction steps and reducing wait times. Also, ease of integration. Xswap introduces a spectrum of tools allowing third-party projects to integrate cross-chain liquidity movements with minimal effort. This innovative approach makes it possible to transform single-chain applications to handle cross-chain messages with ease. Also, broadening accessibility. As DeFi continues its upward trajectory, many users are spread across various networks, maintaining assets across multiple chains. Xswap's integration with CCIP ensures that these users can effortlessly access and move their assets, expanding the scope of decentralized finance. Also, security and trust. So leveraging Chainlink's reputation for secure and reliable protocols, Xswap ensures that users' assets are always safe during swaps. The combination of Xswap's inherent security features and Chainlink's robust CCIP protocol minimizes the risks often associated with cross-chain transfers. So in conclusion, Xswap's integration with Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol introduces a new age in DeFi where boundaries between blockchains become more permeable and users enjoy unparalleled ease in liquidity transfers. As the first project to embark on this journey with Chainlink, Xswap does not simply follow trends, it sets them. So they have governance. So some of the features that you could check out in the document section and learn more about. First of all, governance, so you can get involved with voting on proposals. Bridging and swapping. There's a leaderboard. They talk about supported blockchains and information. They also have a roadmap on here, starting with smart contracts for connecting DEXs, cross-chain with CCIP, bridge and swap platform for users, support for executing contracts on the destination chain, custom swap route support with main route splits, integrate multi-calls for smart contracts on the destination chain, SDK release, instant cross-chain swaps, Xswap widget implementation, non-EVM ecosystem integration, Xswap payment tool integration, and numerous Web3 projects. So check it all out, docs.xswap.link. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.